Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your laptop to factory settings. Before we begin, it's crucial to back up all your important files. Use an external hard drive or cloud storage to save everything you want to keep. Also, make sure your laptop is plugged into a power source to prevent interruptions. Finally, gather any software installation media or product keys you might need later. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful reset process. For Windows laptops, start by opening your Settings menu. From there, navigate to Update and Security and then click on Recovery. You'll see an option labeled Reset this PC. Click Get Started. You'll then be prompted to choose between Keep My Files or Remove Everything. If you're selling or giving away your laptop, always select Remove Everything for complete data erasure. Otherwise, Keep My Files will reinstall Windows while preserving your personal data. If you're using a Mac OS laptop, the process is slightly different. Restart your Mac and immediately press and hold the Command key plus the R key until you see the Apple logo or a spinning globe. This will take you to the Mac OS Utilities window. First, select Disk Utility to erase your startup disk. Once that's done, return to the Utilities window and choose Reinstall Mac OS to install a fresh copy of the operating system onto your machine. This ensures a clean slate. After your laptop has successfully reset to factory settings, there are a few final steps. Begin by reinstalling your essential software and applications. Next, restore all the files you backed up earlier to their original locations. Finally, ensure your operating system and all drivers are fully updated. This will provide you with the best performance and security on your newly reset laptop, making it feel brand new and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.